Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us and for all your support. You're so much appreciated. Today we are showcasing this one-of-a-kind, elegant and spacious home located at 143 Brookview in the heart of Membley, Ruiru, Kenya, just a few minutes drive from downtown Nairobi. This house is beautiful, elegant and exceptional in every detail with distinguishing architectural, exterior and interior designs. This is a modern 4-bedroom house designed with an extra room for an office or an SQ option. This house is crafted with care and precision, creating a great living experience both inside and outside. This house has a stunning open concept kitchen and a spacious modern living and dining rooms. Next to the dining room is this spacious and elegant living room with big windows overlooking the serene green yard with natural light flooding the house. There are so many thousands and rich features in this home, making it your preferred home choice. Big huge windows offering great views from sunrise to sunsets. Stepping into the kitchen, we find this well-designed and well-thought-of area with enough countertops and appliances. This kitchen also comes with a spacious walk-in pantry. This open laundry area provides functionality for life's daily tasks as you enjoy the calming breeze. This is the guest washroom, which offers elegant designs and finishing. Moving down the hall is this amazing bedroom, fully en suite that accommodates your guests and creating a homely atmosphere while they visit. Moving upstairs is this amazing staircase with big windows and an amazing design to it. Once you are up here, you are welcomed by this well-designed family room or multi-purpose room. Stepping out on this open balcony that gives you an amazing view of the neighborhood as you enjoy the beautiful tropics weather up here. Moving down the hall are these two appointed children bedrooms, which are all en suite, and the designs creates a playful atmosphere for your young ones. And guys, the only way you can support this channel is to share this video, to like it, and also to leave us a comment down below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thank you. And now let's go one level up as we check out this amazing stairway. Moving down the hall is the master en-suite bedroom, a work of art that you have to see to appreciate it. This master bedroom suite comes with a walk-in closet for him and for her, and also a balcony. You don't want to miss this master bedroom's washroom that offers class, rest, and comfort. Down the hall is this stylish home office which is fully en suite, giving you the freedom of working from home. Across from the home office is this elegant balcony that gives you a taste of nature and beauty while still indoors. The exterior of all homes at 143 Brookview provides room for green spaces for relaxation and nature. At 143 Brookview, you can buy land and build your dream home, or you can buy a townhouse just like the one we just toured and experience this family-oriented setup neighborhood. At 143 Brookview, there will be a community swimming pool, a gymnasium, jogging tracks, and great schools are just a distance away from here. The first phase is sold out, and the second phase is selling fast. So don't miss this city living at its best at 143 Brookview. For more information about 143 Brookview, please contact the numbers on your screen or visit olympiagold.co.ke for assistance in making this your preferred home location. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. Please remember to like, to share, and also to leave us a comment down below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.